The Tesla Model Y 2026 represents a bold leap into the future of electric mobility, combining sleek design, high-end performance, and advanced technology in a compact SUV form. With its refreshed exterior, the Model Y now features a more aerodynamic silhouette, a minimalist front fascia, and updated matrix LED headlights that not only enhance its futuristic appeal but also improve visibility on the road. The flush door handles and frameless windows continue to give it that unmistakable Tesla signature, while subtle improvements in panel alignment and materials show Tesla's focus on build quality in this latest iteration. Underneath its refined shell, the 2026 Model Y comes with Tesla's next-generation 4680 battery cells, delivering more range, better performance, and quicker charging times. The long-range version boasts up to 560 kilometers (348 miles) on a single charge, while the performance variant accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.5 seconds, rivaling many sports cars. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip and control in all weather conditions, and with a recalibrated suspension setup, the ride feels more composed and engaging than ever before. Inside, the cabin remains distinctly Tesla, clean, futuristic, and tech-forward. The centerpiece is a 15-inch horizontal touchscreen, now upgraded with an OLED panel for sharper visuals and faster response. This screen controls almost every vehicle function and integrates Tesla's latest infotainment system with improved voice recognition, gaming features, and a more intuitive interface. The minimalist dashboard now incorporates soft-touch recycled materials and a new ambient lighting system that adds elegance during nighttime drives. The panoramic glass roof has been improved for better heat insulation and UV protection, creating a more comfortable environment for passengers while maintaining an open-air feel. Tesla's autopilot capabilities have also evolved significantly. The 2026 model includes Hardware 5, which supports Tesla's most advanced full self-driving (FSD) features to date. With improved radar and neural network capabilities, it enables better lane changes, smoother city driving, and more confident intersection handling. Even though full autonomy is still undergoing regulatory approval in most regions, the Model Y is future-ready and capable of receiving over-the-air updates to improve these systems as laws evolve. Space and practicality remain core strengths of the Model Y. The rear seats fold flat to reveal up to 76 cubic feet of cargo space, making it ideal for families and adventurers alike. A new heat pump and HVAC system improve cabin efficiency, especially in colder climates, while wireless charging pads, USB-C ports, and a premium 14-speaker sound system come standard in higher trims. Priced starting around $47,000 USD for the base model and climbing up to $62,000 USD for the performance trim, the Tesla Model Y 2026 offers a compelling mix of luxury, performance, and tech innovation. It stands as one of the most complete electric SUVs in its class, making it a powerful statement of where the future of transportation is headed.